Hello everyone, John Kaminsky here from Tile Space. We're really excited to be at the Robertson Bathware showroom today, where Kirsten joins me and we're showing the Tecnografica wall covering system. Kirsten, can you tell us why you felt like this was the perfect fit for the Robertson showroom?
With our recent bathroom renovation, we felt the Tecnografica was a great fit. We bring in the latest trends from Frankfurt and Bologna, and we felt the two products would align perfectly. Showcasing the latest innovations and trends in the market.
Tecnografica has thousands of options available. Can you tell us why in particular you found that the Olympia Strong was the right pattern for Robertson Bathware?
Yeah, we really love the tones of it and thought it would complement all the new tapware trends that we're seeing with your gunmetals, copper tones and the brushed brass colours. So we thought all the colours within it would really complement and work well with the tapware.
I'm so glad we found an option that works for you guys. Kirsten, did you know that Tecnografica actually comes in an H2O resin-based wallpaper system that is suitable for bathroom use?
Yeah, well that sounds perfect to us. It's important to us that we display products that are actually suitable for bathroom use, so sounds like a perfect product, yeah.
Come join us to see the installation by New Era Tiling.
Let's go.
There you have it, Tecnografica H2O wall coverings. Find out more at tilespace.co.nz.
Yeah, pop in and see this lovely new product, and we'd love to help you with your bathroom console.